Hi guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com, and for today's recipe it is cookies. It's using the leftover of Halloween Smarties, but inside the cookies I added walnut and also chia seeds, so it's a bit not really healthy. Of course, cookies not healthy, all the sugars, and then there's the candies or the chocolates or the candy coated chocolate. But with walnut and chia seeds, it's a little bit on the healthier side. So check out the full video now. See you soon again. Bye. So we're gonna use about 30 boxes of Smarties. We're gonna open them and put them all in one bowl. For this one, just chop about half cup of walnut. This is to be added to the cookies. Just roughly chop. For the dry ingredients, this is 1¼ cup of all-purpose flour with 1¼ teaspoon of baking soda and a generous pinch of salt. Just mix it in a bowl. And for the sugar, I have here is 1 cup of brown sugar with ½ cup of unsalted butter. We're gonna use electric mixer and beat it or cream it. And over here I have 2 squares of dark chocolate. You can use unsweetened chocolate. We're just gonna melt it in microwave. Crack an egg and then mix it again. Now we're gonna add melted chocolate into the mixture with 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, and then we're gonna cream it again. Then we're gonna add in our flour a little at a time. You can use spatula or you can use your mixer, it's up to you. Now add in your Smarties, followed with your walnut and 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Not forgetting 1/4 cup of mini chippets, semi-sweet mini chippets, and just mix until completely combined. Now grease your pan lightly. We're gonna drop our cookie dough by a tablespoon on this greased pan, and then we're gonna bake it on preheated 350 Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes depending on your oven. So just scoop and drop. I'm using the size is 18/8 of, this is actually ice cream scoop, not cookie scoop, but you can use for either ice cream or cookie scoops for scooping dough. So again, 1 scoop and drop it to pre-greased pan like so. Again, preheated 350 Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes. Take out cookies from the oven. Now cool it on rack